Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to tag someone in an Instagram post after posting. So first of all, open Instagram account. Tap onto plus icon for the post. Tap onto arrow icon. Click on to tag people. Tap onto right mark and then finally click on share. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily tag someone in an Instagram post after posting. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial river channel for more video.